Hey, what's going on YouTube? Jamo TV HD fam, we got a big boy thing here today. Just a little quick Amazon review. This is the Anlapus wireless camera system. 1080p apparently. It comes with 4 cameras, Wi-Fi built in and everything like that. Apparently it needs a hard drive and there's no hard drive included, but there's 100 foot of night vision. That's running for £150 on Amazon. And yo, they sent me down one to just review and install and see how it goes. So I think what I'll do first is do an unboxing, and it's gonna take me a couple of hours to install this. So I'll show you guys what it's saying after it's installed. Right, so let's get it going with the unboxing. See what's going down in here. Let's pop that open. Okay. Fam, this unboxing is going to take a while, fam. I might have to speed up a bit of it. This must be the main receiver unit. I'm not too sure. It says power, HDD, and record. So I guess it's telling you whether it's recording or whether it's doing its thing. I don't know. But yeah, that's what we got here. And it's got 2 little antennas at the back. So maybe this is like a wireless receiver. Oh, it's got some stuff at the back as well. Okay, so you've got like a VGA port, HDMI port, wireless area network port, and 2 USB ports there. It just says it's got the 2 antennas on the top. Calm. All right, let's put that to the side. Right now, I don't know what this is. Don't know what this is. Whoa, these are all the accessories to plug it in, it looks like. Bare accessories. So it looks like you got an Ethernet cable, 2 of these, whatever they are, I'm not too sure. There's a mouse, don't know what this is, but this is included. You got an AC adapter as well. Okay, got another AC adapter in there. Damn, another AC adapter in there. These must be for all the cameras, I'm assuming. Another AC adapter, oh my god, and another AC adapter. So we've got 5 AC adapters in here in total. So that makes sense because we've got 4 cameras and we've got one of these units, whatever that is. Got the instruction manual here. Let's just see what it's saying. You guys can see what's going on, yeah? All in English, cool, cool, cool. You got some stickers in here. Got some cool little stickers in here as well. Cool, cool, cool. Got some screws in here as well. There we go. It looks like each of these is the camera. So I guess I only need to really show you one of them. Let's pop this open. Wow. All right, guys. So this is the camera itself. Got the little brand in there. It looks like you can adjust the angle of the camera, but you'll have to unscrew it first. So that's cool. And it looks like, oh, there's a bit for an antenna. Is there an antenna? Ah, yeah, there's an antenna in the box. Okay. So there's an extra antenna in the box there, and I'm assuming that you kind of screw it on like this. Okay, so it's a bit wobbly now, but that's kind of what it's going to look like when it's mounted onto your wall. It's got little holes to screw it on. Yeah, no, it looks interesting, guys. And I guess we'll feed the hole through that part here. And then these will get plugged in, like, what is that? One of them is like an Ethernet cable, one of them looks like a power cable. Oof, just a little update, guys. I've plugged in the power cable, I've plugged in a HDMI, I've plugged in my Ethernet, and I've plugged in the mouse. And yeah, this is what's come up on the screen. So it's just got some settings that I can sort out there. And yeah, it's telling me to download this app. So that's what I'm going to do on my phone right now. Okay, so the good thing, guys, is that everything seems pre-configured already and you just need to plug the cameras in. So I've got this camera plugged in and just kind of hanging out the window in a cowboy way. And it's literally just plugged in to the power down here. And yeah, it just automatically came up on the screen. So yeah, let me plug in 4 more of them and let's see how it goes. Alright, so this guy is set up now. We got one camera just over here. We got one camera kind of poking out into the garden. We've got one garden poking out onto the front drive. And we got one camera literally just facing the TV. And as you can see, yeah, no, it looks quite good. So yeah, got that one over there that's pointing at me. Yeah, that seems to be working. Everything else looks cool. It's quite sharp as well. It's doing there at 1080p. Yeah. No, I'm very impressed. And I've also got it working on the app. So yeah, the app is working as well. And you can even go into them to make it a little bit bigger. If you want to see that bigger, it just loads a bit. And then, yeah, not much going on in the garden, but at least you can see that and everything and, you know what's going on. It did take a while and there's all this mess that's been left behind. But once it got set up, it was quite simple because I literally had to plug this guy in and then just plug all the cameras in separately, and all the cameras knew where this thing was and they just connected to it and literally fed it straight through to the TV. So yeah, that part was easy. One part that was hard was I had to go into the settings on this and I had to tick one option which would enable it to work with the phone application. Other than that, it worked without the phone application anyway. But yeah, no, that's cool. Now I can use the phone application to check. I think there's another application I can use on the laptop as well. All good, guys, all good. Right, so I've still got the camera out the window there, and that is how dark it is outside. Let me put my light away. You guys can see how dark it is outside there. You can't really see the color of my car. And if we just look at what it's seeing, there we go. The night vision literally has it all lit up. Yeah? So yeah, that's the night vision, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Purchase link for this will be in the description section as well. And like and subscribe. Don't know.